Okay, hello, good day. So this time we will have a discussion on the looping. This is just a review. Okay, so we will start with it. Now, this time we will be starting from while and then do while loop and then for loop. Hopefully you are going to view this video for you to learn more. Okay, so let's start with it and then using namespace standard and then let's have the int main. And after which, so let's start with while. Now take note in a loop there are 4 conditions in it. First, you're going to initialize the value. So we will initialize it with int I. Let's say we'll be starting from the value of 2. So this is the initialization. And then after which, the loop will take you on the test expression or the condition. So we will have it while, sabi saya pa, kung I kuno class, for example, less than, if you wanted to have an increment, so we will starting from this value up to up the value. Okay, int I, for example, you want it to reach to 100. So while I is less than to 100, and then this curly bracket, then let's say C out. Let's say have it as I, and then so for example, I am a blessing. Okay, so we will magnet it. So I am a blessing. So we want this to have, okay, so let's try to check on it. If there's no compilation error, we are going to return it the value to 0. And then let's try to run build and run. If there's no compilation error, then this will run. But if there is, then we need to fix this one. So, so what happened? So right now, we are actually creating an infinite loop. I am a blessing. But if you wanted to have, okay, but if you wanted to have this one with no new line, then you can do that. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so this time we are going to create again an infinite loop with I am a blessing. Why? Because we didn't have there a because we don't have there an update, right? We need to update the value so that the 2 will never be 2 as always. Every time it loops, then 2. Every time it loops, then 2. So we need to update the value of 2. How do we do that? We can have an increment value of I. If that would be I plus plus, meaning to say I, the 2 becomes 3, the 2 becomes 3 becomes 4, 4 becomes 5, and so forth. But if we wanted to have it by 5, so that would be plus is equal to 5. Okay, so we are going to run that again. So that would be it. I am a blessing, 2 plus 5, 7, 12, 17, and so forth. Okay, so we'll go back to our source code if we wanted it from 0, and then with an increment of 5. Okay, and then we wanted to have it a new line here, and then like that. Okay, and line. So let's try to build it in a run. Then there you go, 0, 5 until 95. Okay, so that will be it for the while loop.